What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to put a SSD drive into a laptop. Right now I have the Acer S400C. You can see. I'm going to start off with taking these screws off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once we take them off, it should give us access into the laptop. Show you a little bit. As you can see, the screws. Okay. Okay. It should just clip. Make sure all the screws are loose. Should come right off. Okay, as you can see, this is the inside. As you can see, this is the hard drive. We're going to take this one out and we're going to put the SSD drive because they say that it will boot up a lot faster. So let's get it out. In order to get it out, make sure there's no screws. As you can see, there's no screws, so it comes right off. This is the hard drive, and this one was a 500 gig. Very high hard drive. This one right here is a 120. It is lower than that one, but it should be able to turn on much faster. So I want to give it a try. If it works out, I will buy a higher memory. So this video is going to get cut into two, just for a simple fact that it's going to take longer for me to activate Windows and everything. But this is it. This is the SSD drives in. This is the old one. This is your battery right here. Now, as you can see, this is your RAM. I got a 4 gig in here. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the installation of Windows. Thanks for watching.